everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video we are going to see the BEEE your assignment 1. The 4 problems are based on the DC circuit. So first problem is calculate current through 10 ohm resistor, use mesh analysis method. So what we have to find over here, current flowing through the 10 ohm resistor by using mesh analysis. So first of all, there is a circuit given in which there are 3 mesh. Okay, so how would you find out? So this is the first mesh, it is a closed loop. Okay, inside a biggest loop. तो ये जो फर्स्ट है ये आपका क्या एक बड़ा सा मैश है और उसके अंदर ये 3 these the bigger one, the outer one is your loop and these 3 are mesh. So now in loop, consider the one loop, like suppose B C D E B. So in loop B C D E B, we are considering the current in the direction of clockwise. Okay, so this is the direction of clockwise. So what the sign of the current, it should be minus. So minus 10 I1 minus 2 I1, but here is the current I3. I have given I1 I2 I3. I3 is flowing in the opposite direction, so this is nothing but your plus 2 I3. Okay, then minus 4 I1, and as it is plus 4 I2 is equal to 0. Now solve with I1 and I1 term and you will get equation 1. Now similarly in loop BHGAB, you have to consider the closed loop. So minus 4 I2 plus 4 I1. Okay, then minus 7 I2 plus 7 I3, because these two currents are flowing in opposite direction. So once one we have to take negative and second one is positive. Now AJ is minus 2 I2 and you can see the sign over this is plus 25 because the last sign is plus. So plus 25 is equal to 0. Now you will add or subtract the I2 value and you have the second equation which contains I1, I2, I3, 3 variables. Now similarly apply the mesh analysis at the loop 3. So in loop 3 H, E, F, G, H. So minus 2 I3 plus 2 I1 and this is your plus 12. Okay, minus 3 I3, then this is minus 7 I3 plus 7 I2 is equal to 0. Now solve it and you get the 3 equation. So you have a 3 equation of 3 variables. So now substitute this equation, or you can solve by traditional method, or I suggest you to solve with the help of calculator, and then you will get the I1, I2, I3. And in question they have asked to find the current through 10 ohm resistor. So it is nothing but 1.62094. Okay, now find the current, second one. Now let's just move for the second question. Okay, so for the second question, this is the second question. Find the current Ix using nodal analysis. So you have to find the current Ix. Where is the current Ix? This by using nodal analysis. So we have to consider the nodes. So you can see 1, 2, 3 and 4 nodes we have, 4, 5, 6. So these 3 are dummy nodes and this is also node where more than 2. Okay, so more than 2 joints are joint at a junction, or you can say a point. It is nothing but a node. So this is a node A. So you have to assume that all currents are passing away from the node, and at the node the current is 0. Okay, so node analysis at V1, it is nothing but the potential difference upon current. So what is the potential difference of VA? So it is nothing, point A, it is VA. So VA minus 24 upon 5 the resistor, plus VA minus 36 upon 20 plus VA minus 20 VA, and this is the ground. So VA minus 0 upon 20. Okay, and in this direction the current is already given. So we are considering here the current like I1, I2, I3. So what is the formula of I is equal to V upon R? So we are considering that one, and here the current is given but the direction is in opposite. We are moving in this direction and the 2 ohm is on the upward direction, so it is minus sign. So here it is your VA 28.66 volt if we solve into calculator. Okay, use calci, otherwise it will take your time. Now for the Ix, we have to find what Ix current. So Ix is flowing in between these two potential difference. So I is equal to V by R. There is a potential difference. So VA minus 24 upon 5. So VA value we have getting the VA value 28.666 minus 24 upon 5, which is nothing but 0.933 ampere. Okay, so this is your current, but let's see over here. We are finding the current in that direction, and Ix is flowing from positive towards this direction. So your Ix should be negative because current is flowing in opposite direction. So this is the value of your Ix. Okay, now let's just move for the question number 3. Okay, so this is nothing but your question number 3. I hope it's visible to you. Yeah. So replace the given network with a single voltage source and resistor. तो हमें क्या करना है, जो ये नेटवर्क दिया है उसको सिंगल वोल्टेज सोर्स और रजिस्टर से रिप्लेस करना है. तो सिंगल वोल्टेज सोर्स हमें एक सिंगल वोल्टेज सोर्स और एक रजिस्टर होना चाहिए. तो जब भी वोल्टेज सोर्स और एक रजिस्टर होता है तो दे आर इन सीरीज, और अगर करंट सोर्स एंड रजिस्टर की बात की जाए तो दे आर इन पैरेलल. सो हमें इसको रिड्यूस करना है. तो सबसे पहले मैं क्या करूँगी, इधर you can see this 2 ohm and 2 ohm are in parallel, तो I am reducing it, so इसका हाफ हो जा रहा है. so this is nothing but your 1 ohm. ओके, नाउ ये वाले पार्ट को ऐसे ही रखा. अभी ये जो सीरीज में जो है वोल्टेज और आपका रजिस्टर, उसको हम लोग पैरेलल में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. तो हाउ विल यू कन्वर्ट इट, सबसे पहले करंट निकालेंगे. करंट कितना होगा, V/R, तो 10/2 इट इज इक्वल टू नथिंग तो 5, और पैरेलल में रजिस्टर आ जाएगा 2. सो दिस इज योर 5 ampere current, and this is a 2 ohm resistor. These first two are as it is, then this are as it is. So we have replaced this and this only. Okay, now what you have to do over here, just look it over here. 5 plus 5 is 10, 10 plus 10 is 20. So I have written over a 20 current source. Okay, now the resistor, which resistor are there. So 2 ohm, 2 ohm is 1 ohm, 1 ohm is how much, approximately 0.5. yeah, then 0.5 and 3 ohm when you take in parallel, so it will give you 0.428 ohm. So this is your reductance circuit, or you can say the simplified circuit, but they have asked in a single voltage source. So this is the current source, and I have told you that if for the current source the resistor should be in parallel. Okay, so this is a current source, so you have to again do the same thing for taking into the series. So what I have to do over here, V is equal to I into R. So 20 into 0.428 will give you 8.56, and this is your resistor, and this is the voltage source in the series. So I hope you understand this question number 3. So let's just move for the question number 4. Okay, so this is your question number 4. What they have asked in that, find RAB. You have to find the resistor between A and B. It means you have to all sort out this network. So first of all, you can see over here there is a delta. You can assume this also, this also. So I have assumed this. So this is what, this is a delta. Okay, so for making delta to star, it shows like something ऐसा आपका कुछ बन जाएगा स्टार टाइप का. ठीक है, तो अभी कन्वर्ट ऑफ डेल्टा टू स्टार एज फॉलोज. तो व्हाट आई हैव डन ओवर हियर, ये सारे सिमिलर है, बस मैंने ये जो 3 है इसको मैंने क्या कन्वर्ट किया. अगर मैं इसको स्टार में कन्वर्ट करूँगी तो इट विल बी लाइक दिस. ठीक है, तो इसको मैंने इस तरीके से अरेंज कर दिया. नाउ कैसे कन्वर्ट करना है, इसका फॉर्मूला होता है स्टार टू डेल्टा का. If you want you can write over here, otherwise it is not necessary because the question is not asked on the star and delta. So what you have to do over here, so star or delta, suppose this is a resistor 1, suppose 1 terminal, 2 terminal, 3 terminal. So this is the R1, R2 and R3. So you have to find like a R1, R2 plus R2, R3 plus R1, R3 upon your R1. Okay, so you will get this, then this, as it is, then this. Okay, now what I have done over here, you can just see these two are series, so I have just add them, and these two are series, so I have also add them. So there is a one series, a parallel, and these two are series. So what I not these two are also in parallel because there is a third resistor. So first of all, what I do over here, so these two are parallel, so I calculate the parallel resistor between them. This is nothing but 15.68 ohm, and now these two are parallel. So I have told you, so these two are parallel because there is a third resistor, don't consider it is in series. So 15.68, 17.64, it is nothing but 33.32. okay, now 100 ohm is also in parallel. So when you will calculate it, so it will give you, these two are resistor in parallel, so when you calculate their parallel resistor, So it is nothing but 24.99, which is approximately equal to 25 ohms. So this is nothing but the resistor between RAB. So you can write over here one step more, like that. This is your A terminal, this is your B terminal, and this is 24.99. Okay, now it is not visible. Okay, so this is your final answer. Okay, so I hope guys you all are understood it. So मैं आपको एक बार दिखा देती हूँ. सो मैंने यहाँ पे बहुत सारे स्टेप्स को रिड्यूस किया है, मैंने आपको एक्सप्लेन कर दिया. इफ़ यू वांट, यू गाइस आर थिंकिंग एक पेज में कैसा हो गया. सो मैंने आई हैव सेड ऑलरेडी, तो मैंने बहुत से स्टेप्स को रिड्यूस किया है. इफ़ यू वांट यू कैन सॉल्व हियर स्टार डेल्टा ऑल्सो, तो मैंने वो सब नहीं किया है, तो ये भी चलेगा. ओके, इट इज़ टोटली फाइन. इफ़ यू वांट यू कैन सॉल्व इन डिटेल. सो आई होप you like this video, so please do like the video and subscribe my channel and do follow and do share with your friends. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.